Good morning, it's Thursday the 3rd of March and this is your daily outlook. The euro edges higher ahead of the ECB interest rate meeting. The euro edges higher against the dollar ahead of today's European Central Bank interest rate meeting. Even though forecasts expect interest rates to remain at 1%, investors expect ECB President Trichet to emphasise on inflation pressures and signal a rate hike. Speculators argue that the ECB has no other choice but to adjust the monetary policy to rising commodity prices. Yesterday, data revealed producer price index rose more than the market expected, further supporting the single currency. Against the dollar, the euro hovers near a 4-month high, jumping to 138.79, recovering from yesterday's low at 137.41. The pair was last seen trading at 138.72. The US dollar remains under pressure against a basket of currencies today as oil and commodity prices remain at high levels. Yesterday's data revealed that the US ADP employment change surprisingly rose in February but failed to support the dollar. Focus now turns to today's jobless claims, hoping to give an indication about Friday's non-farm payroll figures. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar plummeted yesterday, falling to 81.55, but then recovered its losses to trade at 81.91. The Australian dollar extends its gains against the greenback today after data showed the country's trade balance grew more than expected. The Aussie rose as high as $101.81 from $100.83 trading yesterday. Against the Kiwi, the Aussie rose to 136.89 from 135.54 after Prime Minister said that interest rates must be cut. Oil prices rallied yesterday as anti-government protests in the Arab countries continued. Oil jumped as high as $102.79 a barrel and today it eased to $100.28. Gold prices rallied yesterday, rising to a record high level at $1,440.28 an ounce as demand for safe haven assets is very high. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 138, with a preference to enter into long positions at 138.10. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 81.55, with a preference to enter into long positions at 81.60. Today's calendar and market movers: Europe gross domestic product in Q4 is forecast to gain 0.3%. Europe interest rate decision is forecast to keep interest rates at 1%, and US initial jobless claims is forecast to fall to 386,000. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive yesterday, with the S&P 500 trading up 0.16% and the Dow was up 0.07%. European bourses were negative, with the FTSE down 0.35%, the DAX was down 0.58% and the CAC was down 0.81%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.89% and the Hang Seng was trading at 0.99%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.